Okay, so I'm going to show you how to, one second, just adjusting audio. Okay, I'm going to show you how to update or create tables to input onto the site, and also to take the JPEG diagram and input them into the various pages on the site. Okay, so firstly, let's go to the site. So I'm logged into the administration panel. If you go to Valiant Parts, here you'll see there are 35 different series or models. So we will be creating tables for every single model. The one I'm going to show you is model EcoMax 613 to start with. So currently I have the burner parts schematic, burner parts table, heat exchanger parts schematic, heat exchanger parts table, all for the 613. We're going to put in a third one now. Going back to WordPress admin. Okay, so in your zipped folder you have the template Excel CSV folder. So open that. Right. Find, in this case we're using spare parts catalog for EcoMax 613, 618, 622, 824, 828. So there's 5 different models on this catalog. The first one is the burner parts for 613, 618, 622, 824 and 828, which then has a parts table for all 5 different models. Then heat exchanger diagram, which is applicable to all 5 models. Here's the parts table. Casing parts, applicable to all 5 models. Casing parts table. Connecting parts, which is applicable to only 613, 618 and 822. So only 3 of them. The next one's connecting parts applicable to the other 2, 824 and 828. And finally, control box parts applicable to all 5. So you notice that there was 2 up for, there's already two tables and 2 diagrams for 613, which was the boiler burner parts and the heat exchanger parts. So now going down to the next one, we're going to do the casing parts. So, casing parts for 613. So the first thing to do is highlight the whole thing, format the cells by double clicking, format cells, and putting text under number text. Okay. So in ID, part number 1. Part description is front case. Part numbers 077362. Note. So this means that part 2 is included in part 1. So we can put includes part 1. Okay. Always capitalize each word. the first letter. Okay, part 2. Control cover. One 36 720. No comments. 3. Grommet. 980 661. 4. Cable clamp. Remember, always capitalize each word. 088 368 5. Cable clamp. Grommet. 7. Screw. Oh, sorry, grommet. 980 765. 8. Screw. 235 715. Right. See here, just put 9 and 10. Bottom cover. Don't worry about not shown. Oh, actually, no, put not shown in. Very 75 397. Screw 4 front case. Not shown. 138 920. Okay, that's it. Do a quick check. This one's an easy one because every single part here is the same for every single model. So you can actually save this file 5 times and import each one separately. So you don't have to do 5 separate tables here because each one is the same for each model. So save it, save as a CSV, call it EcoMax613, EcoMax613, casing parts, because it's casing parts. Save it in a folder that you know. Save it and get out. Right. Ooh. So, casing parts. So this particular diagram we need to capture. So if you've got a PC, just print screen and then paste it into Paintbrush, and then just take this from the whole border of the picture and then scrub this bit out here, so get rid of that, and then save it as a JPEG in a folder. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again to show you. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, so come into WordPress admin, go to Tools, table reloaded, click. Import a table. Choose File. Find where you have it. Ecomax 613 casing parts. This is to import the CSV folder. Import, import. And here it is here. Just imported like that. Now go down the bottom, uncheck these 5 checkboxes, check this middle one here between these top 2. Go back up the top, get rid of .csv at the table name, get rid of that all the way through to, it's the same, update changes. Okay, see this table ID? Sorry, no, don't worry about that. Go to Pages, find Ecomax 613, which is the one you've done, and edit. Here you'll notice the first 2 are in, so come to the bottom here, double space, H3 tag, Ecomax 613 casing parts, close H3 tags. So same as those ones, Ecomax 613 heat exchanger parts, Ecomax 613 burner parts. Double click, double space, then go add media, upload files. Now find where you saved your JPEG of the diagram. In this case it's here. Drag it and drop. Let it load, and once it's loaded, make sure the alignment's center, and then just hit insert in the page. Don't change anything else. Scroll down, you'll notice it's now put this jumbo stuff in. Double space, update. Go back to Tools, WP Table Reloaded. Find the casing parts, Ecomax 613 casing parts, click shortcode, copy this, go back to Pages, go back to Ecomax 613 edit, so 2 lines, paste, update. Have a quick look. Ecomax 613. Don't worry about this 2E. Right, so there's burner parts, heat exchanger parts, and now casing parts. We just put that in. That's it. Then go on to the next one. Simple. There you go. It only took me 15 minutes to explain it to you slowly.